You're live.
What's going on, guys? Got Brewski. We're at Family Farmer Home today for take 2 of going to the store. We worked on some more healing stuff, just defining the position a little bit more, and we're gonna go put it to the test. So figured we'd bring you guys with us. All right, buddy, ready? Heel. Let's get in there. It's freezing. So one of the things I installed with him is the e-collar heel. So he understands when we're in heel and he feels the buzz to return to heel, right? So we can go like this. Heel. Heel, right here. Yes, good boy. Sit. Good boy. Makes it a little easier so you have the button to do that for you. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. And we're seeing people walk past already, so that's great. Let's get in there. Brewski. Hey. Hey. Heel. Sit. Good boy. Heel. Sit. Sit. I'm doing all this right now just to get him tuned up before we get in. Make sure that he's gonna listen to me when we're in there. He's super excited already. So he's gonna have to show me some self-control before we get in there, right? Down. Brewski, heel. Good job. And even when we come in, like I expect, sit. I expect him to be really calm. We're gonna work through this stuff. We're probably gonna be in here for a while, so get your popcorn. It'll be a long video. Heel. You know, not everyone eats popcorn. Get some water.
She's right though. Don't be dehydrated.
Oh, are these blankets?
Yeah. Oh.
Sit. Good boy.
I will have to have one of those.
I'm gonna have to get one of these. There's.
I like the bottom ones.
Yeah. I just like how soft they are.
Right.
So right here, I'm using my button. While I look at the things, I'm gonna have him sit, and then if he gets up, I'm just gonna hit my button and tell him sit. This is a great place for him to kind of practice being calm because we don't have a whole bunch of like people walking by right now. We have a place where he can get a chance to breathe.
Ramp
right?
down.
Yeah, wind down. Okay, I think they're both so soft, and they're only $15. We're gonna come back and get it. Yes. If you didn't know, I'm really obsessed with soft blankets. Like
They're
soft
the best.
Doggos. Yeah.
Right.
Just like he's got like the perfect fur.
I love his little furry ears.
He's a good boy.
Like they're a little bit longer.
Yeah, exactly. Good job. All right, buddy, you ready? Heel. And I want you guys to pay attention to how I'm talking to him. I'm trying to be very calm because I don't need him to freak out. We're just at the store. Heel. Good boy. Now he's really paying attention to me, you know. Good boy. Brewski, sit. Good boy. Sit. Good boy, sit. I wonder how the dogs will like these.
Vi
sit.
loves them.
Does she eat them fast?
It depends on the day.
Good boy, Brewski. Heel. Right here, buddy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Let's go. Oh wow, they have a like a sport dog brand.
Oh.
Yeah.
Interesting.
No, that's what I said. I have one of these.
Yeah, me
Ball
too.
launcher. They don't actually launch them that far.
No.
So basically, the reason why we're walking over here is because I kind of, come on, sit. You guys notice? Sit. Sir, thank you. You guys notice like in the barn, he's like way calmer and like more like relaxed. I'm trying to reach that place in here. It's not gonna look the same there, but it'll be his version of what it looks like in here. And once we do that, once I know he's totally like game and on my team, then we're gonna go challenge him and like go up to people and have him sit and down and not get pet because he really wants that to happen. And I'll pet him, but really I just, hey, down. Really, I just, oh my gosh.
Always.
Yeah. Really, I just want him to practice being calm in a place that isn't the barn or like a house, you know. So he's already doing a good job. We're gonna keep going. Brewski.
We already got
Heel.
the sploots.
We've got the sploots. We should probably get some more scissors. They have
Yeah,
like big packs of scissors.
I agree.
And this is way better. This is how I want him to walk.
For sure.
Heel. I also slowed myself down
Hmm.
a lot. Not even my walk, but like in the tempo that I'm talking.
Yeah,
to.
and your energy.
Yeah, like I had to like calm myself down for sure. Good. Good. That's a good boy, Brewski. Is this a water purifier? Sit.
Yeah.
No, sit. Good boy. And that was a great little challenge we just did there. It was quick, but it was good.
Yeah.
Heel. You know, I can't focus on anything other than that blanket.
I know.
Sit. Good boy. It was so soft. Got a pressure cooker. There.
You're funny.
Can I actually have a hot dog for you? Yeah. There it is.
Oh.
Yeah. Yes. He did all that and he finally got a hot dog. Good boy. I'm so proud of you. That was a big gauntlet. He didn't try to leave heel or nothing. He was like, I am healing today, boy. And that's the attitude
Good
I wanted
boy.
to have.
Volunteering a nice sit.
Nice sit, buddy. He's really showing a lot more understanding today. I hope you guys can see the difference between the two videos. I'm really, really proud of him. Good boy. As we take our video next to the hunting guns. All right.
Wow.
Ready?
It's
Heel.
fine.
Maybe we should go back over to the dog stuff.
Or, no, just kidding.
What? If they had chickens.
Right? That was exactly where my mind went.
Yeah.
Get out of my brain.
We've been hanging out too much.
You're good. Mhm. I want to get some spray paint for our chargers.
Yeah, some orange.
Yeah. But we'll do it after we do
Look
him.
and see what they have. This is great for him to just like be.
Yeah.
Sit. Down. Awesome. Good boy.
Wow.
Good boy. We would probably get like that one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, there's those two are different. That one's darker.
Look at that good,
Good
boy.
job, buddy. Ready? Brewski, sit. Heel. Teaching him obedience stuff.
It's fine.
So much better, Brewski. So proud of you, buddy. Wonder. We need to get one of these too. Ours broke. Yeah, like it won't stay up.
I fell on one of those once.
Damn.
I slipped and I wiped out.
That's really sad. Good boy, Brewski.
This is the most random video.
It really is. But it's really great to see like
Brewski existing
Brewski
in real
existing
life.
in a less
Formal.
wiggly state. Yeah. He still wiggles.
He's still happy.
He's still happy, but he's a little more controlled.
He's
And
exercising his self-control.
sit. Yeah, and like the cool thing is he's not worrying so much about the people.
Mhm.
That was my biggest concern. That's what you guys said. You know, he sees people and it goes right out the door.
Linchpin for the wheelbarrow.
We do need to get one. I wonder if we could just get one.
I think so, probably.
Side note.
Yeah.
But
We're gonna have to rewatch this for our shopping list.
No, we really will. Sit. There, I hit my button because he got up again. Good boy. All right, you ready? Heel. Oh, did you see that?
I saw that. That was great.
You want a koala?
I do want a koala, actually. This is really nice.
Hey, come here. Oh, it's a tie down. I thought it was a leash.
Oh, gotcha. Did he just jump the social distancing sign?
Yeah. He has a weird thing about stuff on the floor.
He
guys.
doesn't, yeah, he gets weirded out about that a little.
Yeah, come here.
He doesn't like our floor drain in the barn either.
At all. Like, he, like, goes around it. Like, he's like, no, thank you. Good boy. Well, I'm really happy with him. We're gonna go walk by these people and head back out to the truck. Okay, guys? Let's go. Yo.
But that was nice.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Good job.
Couldn't have gone better.
Wow. Well, hey, I'm pretty happy.
All right.